Greetings, this is Dr. Karthik Natarajan from the Synapse Pain and Spine Clinic in Chennai. Today I'm here to welcome you all to the fourth edition of the AIM-P conference that is being organized in Bangalore from September 30th to October 2nd. This is done by a team led by Dr. Pankaj Surange, Dr. Harshita Surange and Dr. Swati Bhatt. Now, those of you who have attended this conference before will know that this is a serious, focused conference on advanced pain management procedures, which includes vertebral augmentation techniques, endoscopic spine procedures, regenerative medicine, ultrasound guided procedures. Now, for those of you who are already practicing pain and who would like to enhance their knowledge and skill, the AIM-P 4th edition would be a useful conference. Hope to see you all in Bangalore. Welcome to Bangalore. Thank you.